Most people think data quality means fixing a few bad records, removing duplicates, cleaning up contacts, and filling in some blanks. But it's a bigger issue. When your data is dirty, siloed, and unreliable, your entire go-to-market motion suffers. Campaigns stall, routing breaks, forecasts fall short, and customer experience takes a hit. And what looks like a RevOps problem is actually a data quality problem. At Openprise, we believe the future of your RevOps strategy depends on the data foundation you build today. Openprise data quality solutions do the heavy lifting, like automating data cleansing and identity resolution, deduplicating and merging records, and enriching and unifying data from all your sources, all without writing a single line of code. Instead of patching systems together, you get clean, consistent data that's ready to power every part of your go-to-market strategy. Openprise brings all of your data quality tools into one automated, AI-powered, scalable platform with no manual work and no IT bottlenecks. We take a layered approach to data quality, turning trust into action and insight. For example, technical quality. Can you trust your data? It must be clean and complete. Operational quality. Can you take action on your data automatically and at scale? And lastly, strategic quality. Can you make smart decisions with your data? The benefit of Openprise is it automates all three of these layers, so your data is always ready, automatically, even for AI. Openprise, one platform to automate all things RevOps. Spend more time driving revenue and less time managing data.